Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Mayor. Shout out loud. Me, I tell you, every woman in the world now want me to be them baby father, brother. Yes, because me a man work and take care of my kids them. Mm. Yeah, man. You see all them girl, they tighty girl, they will live in the big house there. When me a young man and I grew up and look on them, them not even look for me, girl say me I come turn way head a bush, cause they no want me call to them. But they never know I said Mr. Mayor did have a plan. Yes, man, me have my people them every 6 years. Cause me no want two of them for a ball one time. Yes, when one born, the next one can lift up the next one. You understand? I me take care of them, make them come to somebody in this world. You understand? By the strong help of the Almighty. No girl call me from heavy country and heavy town and parish. Me fi be them baby father. Me one can be baby father for everybody. Me not fi go get one country for myself. Yes, man. Mr. Mayor take care of kids them, and make sure they eat properly and go to school and get a good education. And I make house that they are shelter. You understand? Because if you don't take care of your kids, they will go out of the way, Yes, and we don't want people to go out of the way. You understand? So you have to look both what you had to do for them. We make them turn man and woman of tomorrow. Yes, so Mr. Mayor now, every girl a call me now, brother. Girl and woman a call me. It look like they want to catch a breed. Yes, but I know so Mr. Mayor do it. Mr. Mayor have one child every 6 years. That's how me do it. Me space them out. And make sure so that one they grow good. And then you ship him off. The next one grow properly, then you ship him off. The other one grow, you ship him off. Yes, that's what I do with my 4 child, man. Me no make people run out of food and ball, be hungry, can't go to school, no have proper bed, and mash up people when you do them something, there, man. So all of the high girl, they know where then go breed for some pretty man. All man will bleach and the man they breed for you. There's the man use a whole lot of money if you buy baby food and buy bleaching cream. Yes, so me take care of my business them. That's why me be the number 1 baby father in the world, Yes, me are the number 1 baby father. Yes, me do a video before, so me want me 50 people, but me no want 50 people one time. I every 6 years, so me have to live long. If you have 50, cause me gone 4 already. You understand? Well, and if God pass the law, yes, if God pass the law, so if you have one country for myself, then that different. But right now, me I stay with my wife and stay at the law, brother. You understand? So all of have to do pray, and if God pass the law that me can make a country for myself, yes, me will make a country. But for right now, me I stay with my wife, brother. Yes, man. So Mr. Bear is the best baby father in the whole world. You understand? So when the girl then find out, say, me are the best baby father, girl flap me, man. Every minute then just a ring on my phone. Girl I call me when I even know my number, man. Then call me on messenger. Yes, man. Girl I call me on messenger. Then one baby. That's how it go, man. But man, if you take care of them people, man. If every man do like me, we have a better world, Yes. Yeah, man, take care of the youth. So this is a message to the man them way out there now I use the whole of money buy bleaching cream when they should end up buy ice cream. You understand? And cocoa butter cream to rub down the baby, making it shine and pretty, you understand? Cause baby have to get nutrition, you know. Yes, man. Remember one time I one woman a breed at 500,000 me give him for the 9 months to buy nutrition, you know, when baby bad, baby big and shine and pretty, man. Yes, man, nutrition start from the mother belly. If the baby not get good nutrition, when him born, he will turn good for nothing. Yeah, man, Mr. Time is out. Mr. Mayor is here. Subscribe and share. I remember, me are the #1 baby father in the whole world.